Within the segment referred to as the Book of the Watchers, the narrative unfolds about the fallen angels, also known as the Watchers, who defy divine authority. Descending to earth, they establish connections with mortal women, imparting forbidden knowledge. Under the leadership of Azazel and Shemihaza, these celestial beings rebel against God by descending to the human realm. The progeny resulting from their unions with mortal women are known as the Nephilim, colossal beings whose presence ushers in turmoil and devastation upon the earth. By examining the narrative of the Watchers and analogous tales concerning gods from ancient civilizations, we begin to link the dots that suggest a potential extraterrestrial source for humanity. In the ancient Near East, often referred to as the birthplace of human civilization, remarkable achievements unfolded among the Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians, and Assyrians. These cultures were trailblazers in developing written language, exploring the realms of astronomy, and establishing repositories of knowledge. Woven within their mythologies are stories of gods descending to earth, generously sharing the intricacies of their skills and profound wisdom. The remarkable skill displayed by ancient societies, such as the Sumerians, Egyptians, and Mayans, in aligning their monuments with celestial objects, raises questions. The origin of their meticulous comprehension of astronomy remains a topic of discussion. The creation of gigantic artifacts within these civilizations appears to challenge the technological capacities of their era due to factors such as size, weight, or complexity. If the buildings made by these civilizations aren't enough to show how advanced they were, a clay tablet translated in 2015 proves that ancient Sumerians did really accurate maths for the path of Jupiter. They did this 1,400 years before Europeans did the same. Also, the Babylonians, after the Sumerians, might have come up with trigonometry almost 1,000 years before the ancient Greeks. Sumerian texts recount the visitation of supernatural beings during antiquity. These beings were identified as the Anunnaki, a term signifying those who descended from the heavens. In 1976, a scholar named Zechariah Sitchin penned a book proposing that the Sumerians held a belief about the Anunnaki, who supposedly hailed from a distant planet called Nibiru. Sitchin asserted that Nibiru's elliptical orbit spanned 3,600 years, and that it once drew near Earth. The Anunnaki, inhabitants of Nibiru, purportedly initiated contact with our planet some 500,000 years ago. However, their intentions extended beyond mere interaction. They had a keen interest in gold, a precious resource crucial for repairing their own planet's atmosphere. Since the Anunnaki couldn't mine gold on their own, they reportedly engaged in genetic engineering to create primitive humans, tasking them with mining the gold they sought. By the time the Sumerian civilization emerged, the Anunnaki had bestowed upon humanity skills like writing, mathematics, and urban planning. These contributions set the stage for the eventual evolution of life as we presently understand it. The earthly role of the Anunnaki mirrors the activities of the Watchers, as recounted in the Book of Enoch. This intriguing resemblance sparks a question. Could the Watchers and the Anunnaki actually be the same beings? The Sumerian civilization, which emerged approximately 4,500 BC in Mesopotamia, stands as one of the world's earliest advanced societies. Their profound understanding of fields like astronomy, mathematics, and architecture, coupled with the striking likeness between the Anunnaki and the Watchers, implies a possible link between these ancient texts and the potential involvement of extraterrestrial entities in shaping human history. Both the Watchers and the Anunnaki have something important in common. They come from the stars, hinting they might be from outer space. This connection goes beyond regular gods and stories, making us wonder if they could be from another planet or universe. Another fascinating point to compare is how the Anunnaki and the Watchers look. They're often shown as giant human-like figures, with characteristics that set them apart from regular humans. The Anunnaki were said to have glowing faces that shone brightly, while the Watchers were often depicted as ethereal beings emitting light. Both of them are shown with wings coming down from the sky. Moreover, both the Watchers and the Anunnaki are written about as engaging with humans, sometimes resulting in the birth of children with remarkable abilities. Some suggest that the link between the heavenly and earthly realms could be a clue to genetic changes, raising the idea that these beings could have had a role in shaping human evolution. The similarities between the Watchers and the Anunnaki are made stronger by similar themes and stories found in ancient Sumerian texts, like the Epic of Gilgamesh, and different stories in the Bible. The common way of telling these stories in both Sumerian and biblical texts suggests a shared history and culture. Although there are differences in how the stories are told, the core idea remains the same. There were mysterious beings involved in human events.